Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import contacts into Xero. This is incredibly useful when you're migrating from another system or need to add multiple clients or suppliers at once, saving you from entering each contact manually. To begin, open your browser and navigate to login.xero.com. Once you're on the page, you'll see fields where you need to type in your Xero account email and password. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your Xero dashboard. This brings you to the main workspace where you can manage all aspects of your accounting. Now that you're inside Xero, look for the Contacts option in the main navigation menu. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this drop-down, select All Contacts. This section is where you'll manage your entire contact list, and it's also where the bulk import feature lives. Next, we need to start the bulk import process. Look toward the top right of the screen and you'll notice a 3 dots icon which represents more options. Click on this icon and a menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Import. This opens up the import tool that Xero provides specifically for adding multiple contacts at once. Before uploading your own file, it's a smart idea to download Xero's contacts template. This ensures your format matches exactly what Xero expects, preventing errors down the line. Click on Download Template to get the CSV file, then save it to your computer. You can open this file in Excel or Google Sheets and see the exact column headers and structure Xero requires. Fill in your contact information following this format carefully. Once your CSV file is ready with all your contact details properly formatted, return to Xero and make sure you're on the import page. Click Select File, which will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to where you saved your completed CSV file, select it, and click Open to attach it. At this stage, you'll also notice options to ignore or delete existing contacts you already have in your Xero account. Choose whichever option suits your needs, then click Next to proceed. This step might take a moment as Xero processes the file you've uploaded. Now it's time to validate your import. Click the Validate button to let Xero preview your data and check for any errors. If errors appear, don't worry. Xero will show you exactly what's wrong, whether it's missing required fields, incorrect formatting, or duplicate entries. If you see errors, go back to your CSV file, fix the issues, and re-upload the corrected version. This validation step is crucial because it prevents bad data from entering your system. Once everything validates successfully with no errors showing, you're ready to complete the import. Click the Import button to add all contacts to Xero. Depending on how many contacts you're importing, this might take a few moments to process. Once it's done, all your contacts will be available in your Xero account, ready to be used for invoicing, bills, and other transactions. And there you have it. You've successfully bulk imported your contacts into Xero, saving yourself potentially hours of manual data entry. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.